I'm glad he asked about Guru Rinpoche, so I'm going to answer the second first. We, the Himalayan, we are so connected to Guru Rinpoche. But there's something very special about Guru Rinpoche. There are some people I meet around the world. They come and for no reason, they feel close to Guru Rinpoche. And to me, it's very, very interesting. I understand the Bhutanese, the Tibetan, the Sherpas, Tamangs, Lepchas, we sort of born with the Guru Rinpoche culture. So we maybe believe a little bit. Today I'm so happy that I met so many of my Sikkimese friends here. Sure. Sikkimese talk as if they belong to Guru Rinpoche. Bhutanese, they're very proud that the Guru Rinpoche came to Bhutan. It's very interesting because Shakyamuni Buddha was he had a father, mother, cousins, all the human life. Guru Rinpoche, they say, born from lotus. Why would you believe? And Bhutanese, they believe Guru Rinpoche came to Bhutan riding tiger. Most of them don't even question. But I met Croatian, Croatia is like long from here. They are barely Buddhist. Some people who I met, they're barely Buddhist, but they like Guru Rinpoche. Then I met Sri Lankan Theravadan monk who actually came to see me just because he heard I was in Sri Lanka and he need to meet a follower of Guru Rinpoche. So this is very interesting. So, who is Guru Rinpoche? That's the question. I can answer you in so many ways, this one. If you are asking me as a scientist, atheist, critical thinking people, I can actually say, Guru Rinpoche born from lotus, all this just people made up. He was actually just like you and me, born with, proper father and mother. If you are a Nyingmapa and if you want to get supporting document, you should read Tsele Natso Rangdol. He has all biography based like this. Just the son of, some family, all this. If you ask me, what do I prefer? That he has a proper father, mother, or a lotus? If you ask me, I will say I prefer the lotus. I am very critical. Actually, I think, I was trained to be critical in the Shedra. I have read Dijin Shepa Takpa, the analysis of Tathagata by Nagarjuna many times. I am very critical not only on all the religion, including Buddhism, even all the systems, all systems I'm critical. Like my friends from this, like German friends, they believe blindly in democracy. I don't believe at all. The American friends, they blindly hate communism. I also don't have this. So for me to say, I believe Guru Rinpoche, I like Guru Rinpoche, born from lotus better, is saying a lot. Okay, now this is going to take some time. This is an important question. And I will try to relate this with our identity and our master who can be your master, but I will relate to this. I have said this in many different occasions. So those who have heard from me many times, take a nap. It will take about 10 minutes. And I'm using the Buddha's example. If you are a baby, 5 days old, and let's say you think hamburger is very good food. If you stuff hamburger in baby's mouth, you will kill baby. So for the 5-year-old baby, you need to make the baby food easy to fit in the small mouth, easy to go down, easy to digest, maybe some sweet, maybe, I don't know, sugar is not good, right? And maybe the cup has some cartoon, I don't know, some toys. And also when you give, you sing song like this. So now, today you ask me, who is Guru Rinpoche? So if I say something like this, this mind that hear the air condition, like fan, this mind that knows the heat, this is Guru Rinpoche. That is like me giving hamburger, putting down on inside your mouth. I might kill you. So it doesn't work. So because you are a baby, I have to make it very interesting. Lotus born, very good. I like this much better than born somewhere between father and the mother. This not interesting for me. Another reason. Lotus actually represents your devotion. Actually, the lotus also represents your mind. Because lotus is born in the mud, yet no stain by mud. Even though your mind is filled with desire, anger, jealousy, pride, insecurity, but nature of the mind is not stained. This is why the moment you think of Guru Rinpoche is already there. Then that is lotus born. Born doesn't have to be born in the hospital, like born. You think of Guru Rinpoche and it's already born. And this is why, again, you are your own master. You are your own Guru Rinpoche. But not everybody has this big mouth to fit this. Not everybody can digest. Some people like this behind me. This is like the very, very sweetened, like make it interesting for you. So even the word Solwa Dep, supplicate. Solwa Dep can be a lot of different meaning. It can be, please Guru Rinpoche, help me to pass my exam or reach Siliguri, safe and sound. Or just think of Guru Rinpoche is already the Solwa Dep. So your first question is how to deal with the insecurity. For those who are follower of Guru Rinpoche, you can do this both. Please help me, this, or just think of Guru Rinpoche. That's the best.
जति पनि गुरु rinpocheको अनुसरण गर्ने गुरु rinpocheको अनुयायीहरू हुन्छ तपाईले दुईटै तरिकाहरू अपनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईले कृपया गुरु rinpoche मलाई सहयोग गरिदिनुस् मलाई हेल्प गरिदिनुस् भनेर प्रार्थना